Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the Monese virtual card fee. This is a question that I get asked a lot, so I thought it would be a good idea to do a video on it. Before I get into the details of the Monese virtual card fee, I want to take a moment to talk about what Monese is. Monese is a mobile-only bank that offers a range of financial products and services, including current accounts, debit cards, and virtual cards. Monese virtual cards are a great way to make online purchases without having to share your real debit card number. They are also a great way to keep your spending under control. Now, let's get to the question of the day. How much is the Monese virtual card fee? The Monese virtual card fee is £1.49 per month. This fee is charged regardless of whether or not you use your virtual card. In addition to the monthly fee, there are also some transaction fees associated with using your Monese virtual card. These fees vary depending on the type of transaction you are making. Here are some of the most common transaction fees. ATM withdrawal, £2. Cash withdrawal from a shop or restaurant, £2. Currency conversion, 3% of the transaction amount. It is important to note that these fees are subject to change. You can always find the latest information on the Monese website. Now that you know how much the Monese virtual card fee is, let's talk about some of the benefits of using a virtual card. Here are some of the benefits of using a Monese virtual card. Increased security. Virtual cards are more secure than physical debit cards. This is because they are not linked to your real bank account. Better control over your spending. Virtual cards can help you to keep track of your spending. You can set spending limits and alerts for your virtual card. Convenience. Virtual cards are easy to create and use. You can create a new virtual card in just a few minutes. Overall, I think that Monese virtual cards are a great option for people who are looking for a secure and convenient way to make online purchases. In conclusion, the Monese virtual card fee is £1.49 per month. There are also some transaction fees associated with using your virtual card. However, I believe that the benefits of using a virtual card outweigh the costs. If you are looking for a secure and convenient way to make online purchases, I highly recommend using a Monese virtual card. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thank you for watching. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.